Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I have actually already posted about this hair on Instagram. However, if you haven't seen it already, I loved this protective style. This was done by Legacy of Locks LLC, and I'm gonna put all her information in the description box down below. She was so good at what she does, and also I really truly feel like she reminded me about how I used to do protective styles so much, and I haven't been doing them that much. These invisible locks, one thing I like about them is they blend in so perfectly with my locks, especially because I got this of couple of the twists, and at the end all she did was twisted it all the way down, and she also made sure to measure it, making sure it actually formed a bob. I absolutely love this hairstyle, and it just looks so beautiful, and I'm really going to be doing it again. I really think this is my summer hairstyle, not just because it's just like short. You know, sometimes when it's summer, it's hot, you don't want things down your back. So I really enjoyed just this whole style and the process, and you can tell me and her were just rapping, we were just having such a fun time. So after she gets to the end, she twists it, she makes sure that everything is level for the bob. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch the video, and I will see you guys in my next video, which is gonna be a vlog. I've actually really missed you guys, and I was gonna put a vlog up first, but I felt like if I did not put this hair video up, I will be harassed. So here we are. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions about my hair, the hair type I use and everything, let me know in the description down below.